A blissful morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, today I will be taking up back exercises of the chapter Raghu's Dream along with new words and word bank. But before that, a quick recap of what was there in the chapter. So, children, what was there? Do you remember? Yes. In this chapter, the chapter name is Raghu's Dream, and in this chapter, a child named Raghu, he was very happy and excited because today was his maths exam or English exam. Yes, English exam. So, as English was his favorite subject, so he was very excited to give the exam. But when he received his question paper from the teacher, he was very surprised and stunned to see it. Why? Because he received the maths paper. So he told his teacher, "Ma'am, there is a mistake." Teacher said, "What kind of mistake?" He said, "Ma'am, this is English paper, but you have given me maths paper." So then the students and the teacher told him, "No, today is maths paper only. You must have seen the wrong date sheet." The boy was very worried and he was in very tension. His teacher cooled him down and told him, "Beta, you can do it." So he started doing his maths exam, and he was very much worried that he will score less. Means in all, he was in very tension. Now after some time, what happened? His mother saw that he was on his bed and he was moving his leg here and there on the bed. So she woke him up. He said, "Raghu, please get up." Uh, he said, "Mama, where I am?" She said that you are in your bed. Then he got up and his mother asked him, "Better tell me what is the matter. Why were you so sad? What happened to you?" He said, "Mama, no, you know that today is our English exam and ma'am has taken maths exam." Their mother started laughing. She said, "It is a dream. You are watching a dream. In reality, you are in your bed and today is your first holiday after exams. Your exams are over." So now the gist was that the boy was just having a dream. In actual, his exams were over. Now let's start back exercises. Right, true or false? Raghu's favorite subject was maths. False. Raghu waited impatiently to begin writing the exam. True. Raghu was very happy to see the question paper. False. Raghu said that there had been a mistake. True. Raghu had been dreaming. True. Match the columns. Raghu was excited because he had an English exam. When Raghu got the question paper, he was shocked. Miss Roy told Raghu that it was the maths exam that day. Raghu's mother noticed him kicking around his bed. Raghu told his mother that he had a bad dream. I hope, children, you have done this much. Now moving to exercise E. Fill the blanks with correct words in the bracket. Now we are being given two words in the bracket which are same in pronunciation, but the spellings and meaning are totally different. As the dash of the exam approached, Raghu was very excited. ROUR or HOUR? It is HOUR. Children, such words are known as homophones, which have same sound but spellings and meaning are different. So these are known as homophones. When he pegged at the paper, he was shocked. Why was there a question on 4 spoons and 6 plates in each table? He could not believe that he had dashed it correctly. READ or RED? READ, read. Now children, one more thing I want to tell you. READ, if we are talking in present, we pronounce it as read, but when we are talking in past, we pronounce it as read. READ, and spellings are same. Surely there must be dash, mistake, SUM, SOME, some. In the morning, Raghu realized that there was dash exam that day and no K, no W, no, no. Next, fill in the blanks with the opposites of the words given in the box. Now we have to use the opposite of the words like slow, shallow, patiently, rough, difficult, and sad. Raghu waited for his question paper impatiently, opposite of patiently. Veena is very fast runner. The test questions were very easy. Puneet was happy because Granny had got him a new storybook. Nidhi swam up to the deep end of the pool. The roads in my village are flat and smooth. Now, children, exercise G. Read these words: school and homework. In school, the letter H is silent, while in homework, it is not. Circle the words in which H is silent. Now, here in this exercise, we will circle the words in which silent H is there. Means H is there in spelling, but we pronounce the sound of H is not there. So, let's get started. Honest, ghost, hail, H sound is there. So, honest and ghost will circle. Honor, we will circle. Handkerchief, her sound is there. We will not circle. Naughty, we will circle, her sound is not there. Habit, her sound is there, we will not circle. Laughter, her sound is not there, so we'll circle, it's silent. Hammer, her is there. Rhythm, here again it is silent. Now, children, next exercise is the homework. Here you have to rearrange these words to make sentences, and you have to make it in capital letters, full stop, question mark, and exclamatory mark. Children, this exercise is to be done in your notebook. After completing your chapter, you will do it in notebook. Now, children, let's move on to the notebook work. As usual, all of you write your date, day, classwork, chapter 4, Raghu's dream, new words. Here goes your words: excited, favorite, included, impatiently, believe, whole, surprised, supposed, confused, noticed, calm, and instead. Now here are the word banks. Again same way here: date, day, classwork, chapter, name, and word bank. Impatiently, here eagerly, date sheet, here exam timetable. Muttering, here speaking in a low voice. Poor, here used for showing that mummy feels sorry for Raghu. Now, children, you will make frame sentences of these 4 words only, and it's a homework. Tomorrow I will be doing the question answers with the hope that you will complete your work till here. Today itself I leave today's class. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless you all. Stay blessed, all of you.